welcome to the Bucktown Village store. I'd like to talk a little bit about the history of the store since we had purchased it and a little bit of the process that we went through, my family and I. In about the year 2000, the store was very dilapidated, so we seen a need to preserve and save the store for future generations. So we took on a major restoration project, and major it was. And in that process, it was a very interesting process. So we had to jack the store up off of its foundation. We had to replace the sills and the foundation, the brickwork, and a lot of stuff. In that process, we had the Maryland Historic Trust involved with it. They came down and did some analysis of the structure and of the area to help us date the store to see just exactly what period the store could have been. What we found is that the store definitely dated to the very early part of the 19th century. We found that because of the types of saw marks and the construction of some of the store. Now the store has been updated and things over the years, but the main structure, the feeling of the store is exactly the same that it would have been when Little Minty came in here. During the process of the restoration, we found all kinds of neat artifacts. Some of the things that we found, as an example, was like this panel of wood right here. So this is likely the original color of the wood. This was up in the attic, and it was just kind of stuck away. So I guess that through the years, for some reason, this was changed out, but they saved that whole piece. Some of the other things that we found were very early pottery under the store. The store was littered with items underneath of it. And we tried to save all of that stuff that we could. You know, we wanted it to tell the story, and it helps date the structure. We found just different types of blueware and slipware. We found some types of pottery. We also found mocha ware, which is very early pottery from the early 18th century. We also found, which is really neat, some pieces of pipe. So back in the day, you know, the colonials, they had these small clay pipes, and they would put a reed in them or have an end like this, and they would just chunk them under the store when they were done. We also found some things of this nature that probably would have been sold in the store. So the project was very exciting. It was an experience that I truly enjoyed, and we'd love to have you come and show you some of the things we found. Thank you.